5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. Though based on different sets of facts, the controversy in all the petitions centers on common issues relating to the exercise of legislative power and executive control in the administration of the National Capital Territory of Delhi (NCTD). The parties to the writ petitions and the orders impugned have been set out in the following table so as to get a glimpse of the controversy involved in each writ petition. Writ petition parties impugned order action writ petition (C number 5888/2015 ZNCTD versus UOI notifications dated 21/5/2015 and 23/7/2014 issued by the Government of India, Ministry of Home Affairs, empowering the limited governor to exercise the powers in respect of matters connected with services and directing the ACB police station not to take cognizance of offences against officials of central government. Except for writ petition (C number 5888/2015 and writ petition criminal number 2099/2015), in all other writ petitions the impugned orders have been challenged primarily on the ground that the said orders, having been passed without placing the decision of the Council of Ministers before the Lieutenant Governor for his concurrence views, are illegal and unconstitutional. Out of the said petitions, writ petition (C number 8867/2015 has been filed by the Union of India, whereas the rest of the petitions are more or less in the nature of public interest litigation. The grievance in writ petition (C number 5888/2015 is that by virtue of the impugned notifications, the legislative and executive powers conferred on the Government of NCT of Delhi under Article 239 AA of the Constitution in respect of matters relating to services have been withdrawn and are sought to be exercised by the central government apart from the curtailing the powers of the anti-corruption branch of Government of NCT of Delhi to take cognizance of offences against the officers, employees and functionaries of the central government. The primary contention is that the said notifications are contrary to the constitutional scheme. In writ petition criminal number 2099/2015, the appointment of a special public prosecutor by the Lieutenant Governor has been challenged, contending inter alia that the Lieutenant Governor of NCT of Delhi is not competent either to appoint a special public prosecutor independently or to interfere with the appointment made by the Government of NCT of Delhi having regard to the scheme of Article 239 AA of the Constitution of India, for short Constitution, read with the provisions of the Government of NCT of Delhi Act 1991 and the rules made thereunder. Stop. On 4/4/2016, fresh applications came to be filed on behalf of the Government of NCT of Delhi in all the writ petitions except writ petition within bracket C number 5888/2015, with a prayer to refer the petitions to a larger bench, contending that there is a conflict between the judgments rendered by the coordinate benches of this court in Om Prakash Pahwa versus State of Delhi within bracket 1998 46 DRJ 719 United RWAS Joint Action versus Union of India, writ petition within bracket C number 895/2011 and batch dated 13/10/2015, and Delhi High Court Bar Association versus Union of India within bracket 2013-203 DLT 129 on the issues whether the Lieutenant Governor is bound by the aid and advice of the Council of Ministers under clause within bracket 4 of Article 239 AA. Stop.